Okay, welcome. My name is Teresa Rich. I'm the founder of Reflexology UK and also teresarich.com. And today I'm bringing to you how to actually clean your stones. So in order to clean your stones, these have already been on someone's body. I've used oil. You can actually use wax, which I find is much easier to take off of the stones. Now it's really important to clean these stones incredibly well, because the actual bacteria from someone's body does love to cling to these stones. So any form of antibacterial cleanser or cleaner is really good. So you really do need to look at any form of antiseptic that you can, antibacterial, soap and everything like that, so you can give it a good clean. Now I start off with disinfecting all of these, because like I said, they've been over someone's body, and it's really important for me to clean these properly as I do them. Now I love to use antibacterial wash as well, so you can put that in your bowl. I've just got a foot bowl that's been washed out that I'm going to put my stones into as well. Some people like to use tea tree oil, also cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, baking soda. Again, it's a preference, but as long as you use things that have got antibacterial qualities in them. And I would highly recommend that you check with your membership body about what they advise you to clean things in as well, okay? Because we can't be clean enough with this. So for me, I like to give it a good scrub. I place them in the water as I go through. So good scrub, really get rid of much oil as you can off of it. These have already been in water to a certain degree, and I'm just giving them a good scrub as I put them in. And also the bowl has got the antibacterial wash in them, as well as tea tree, cider vinegar and salt. Okay, because what you don't want is, once you start washing them, I've put a few in here now, but I'll just bring it over to you. Just, you don't need to see me wash every single one. But, and then we can wash them in hot, warm water and give them a good scrub. When you've done a full body, it does take time to do this properly. And then once you've finished, you know, giving these a really good scrub, look how clean that is. Okay, you can really start to see a difference, because they can be quite sticky with oil. Like I said, I do actually prefer to use wax, and if you use a scourer, like, you know, as we do on our body, we don't use scourers, but you know, sometimes we use things that can actually help exfoliate us, and it's exactly the same with stone. We're trying to exfoliate all of the bacteria that we've absorbed from someone's body. So I'll just do one more, and then after I've done all that, so I've given everything a good scrub, it normally takes me, to be honest, about half an hour after each treatment to clean these properly. So I can't actually fit loads and loads of clients in for thermal stones on a daily basis. So that's if you want them really done properly. Okay, and then you've got to recharge them up and so on. So once you've done that, then all you do is you get rid of this water, get some fresh water, and then give all of the stones a lovely rinse, just like you would in, you know, yourself as having a shower. So give them a good rinse. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to actually charge up the stones. This is Teresa Rich, the founder of Reflexology UK. Come and join me on my Instagram feed for more updates about thermal stone massage.